Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to download latest Windows 11 Evaluation ISO, which has tons of new features which is not available to normal Windows users yet. Let's get into the video. Open your web browser and search UUP-AdGuard. Then click the first website. Now select type of Windows Insider version. Then select the latest version number x64. I select the language as English. Then select the edition of Windows you want. I select Windows 11 Professional. After that you have to select the type, and click the first option which says ISO compiler. Then CMD file loads in the right side. Click the link and it will be downloaded. If you see this notification, click see more and do what I am doing in the video. Then go to the download location and copy it to a new folder on the desktop. Right-click the file and click Run as administrator. It will take few seconds to load the download interface. At this point you don't have to change anything. Just press Enter key on the keyboard and it will start to download the needed files. It would take around 1 to 2 hours to completely download the necessary files. Amount of time to download is depend on your internet speed. 2 to 3 gigabytes of data will be downloaded to the folder you created on the desktop. After an hour or so you will see this window with green letters on it. You don't have to do anything at this point. This process is fully automated and it will create an ISO file in the folder you created on the desktop. Once the ISO creation is completed successfully, you will see a message saying press any key to exit. Now the ISO creation is successful. You will see the newly created ISO file, which is a fresh evaluation version of Windows 11. You can either install fresh Windows on any computer by creating ISO bootable flash drive with the help of Rufus software. Or you can extract the ISO file using WinRAR or 7-zip and upgrade current Windows version to the latest evaluation build. You will find tons of new features compared to the conventional Windows release. Enjoy your new upgrade. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.